Hello. In this video, we will review one of the top European brokers, including a deep analysis of all features offered that will help you to make a conscious decision if this is the right broker for you. ICTRADING is a Forex broker located in Mauritius and has existed as a regulated broker since 2022. With 2,000 plus trading instruments, leverage up to 1/500, and spread starting at 0, this broker can potentially be a good option either for someone who is starting their trading career, but also for seasoned traders. Maybe you're wondering what account types you can choose. There are 3 main account types provided by ICTRADING. They are the raw spread account, which can be of the CTrader or MetaTrader version, and the standard account, with a minimum deposit of $200. Raw spread is probably the most popular one, with a very small or even 0 spread. This is an account specially tailored for scalpers or being used with EAs. On the other hand, you will have commissions on some symbols. These commissions only apply to Forex and metals and are $3. Fiber side. With this account type, you can have up to 200 positions open at the same time. Another benefit of ICTRADING is the available options for funding. For faster processing, we recommend that all account holders deposit funds into their trading account from inside their secure client area. From your secure client area, you will be able to fund your account in real time using one of the instant funding methods. Withdrawal request cutoff time is 12 GMT. If your withdrawal is submitted before this time, it will be processed on the day of receipt. If your withdrawal is submitted after this time, it will be processed on the following business day. Credit/debit card withdrawals are processed free of charge. Once processed, credit/debit card withdrawals may take 3 to 5 business days to reach your credit card. You should, however, be aware that in some rare occasions, this may sometimes take up to 10 business days depending on the bank's end. Should you wish to withdraw an amount in excess of the sum deposited by verified by Visa, MasterCard Secure Credit, debit card, you will be required to utilize another deposit method used earlier or a bank wire option. Please note, credit card withdrawals may not be available for all countries. If you use EAs or if you just like to have your platform available on a server, you can use a VPS with your ICTRADING account. The VPS is free and there are 3 different options to choose from. Each of them gives you access to a VPS with a different performance level. The only condition to get access to the free VPS is to trade a certain minimum amount of lots per month. The more you trade, the better the VPS you can get. From our investigation, looks like ICTRADING is a legit broker. If you think they look like IC markets, well, they do. The main difference is the leverage provided. When trading with ICTRADING, you don't have the Australian and European leverage restrictions that may apply when you trade with IC Markets Australia or IC Markets EU. And it's not an IC Markets copycat scam as some people may think. They actually share the exact same liquidity provider. And although they are different companies, some of the people behind both companies may be the same.